How to create GUI. When the SEGGER emWin module is added, installing the GUI drawing tool driver will be changed to added state. Configure the emWin settings. Click the Info Configuration button to show the Stacks tab of the FSP configuration. Click the SEGGER emWin module and configure the settings in Properties. Click the Generate Project Content button to generate the code. Click the Setting button to install the AppWizard. Click the Start GUI Drawing Tool button to start the AppWizard and create a GUI. Touch driver settings are required to use touch functions such as buttons. Please refer to the application note Getting Started with the Graphics application for details. After creating a GUI, export the source code. Click the Show Sample Code button to display the dialog box, copy the sample code to the clipboard, and embed it in HAL entry. Build the project. Click the Debug button to start connection to the target. The created GUI will be displayed on the LCD.